Introducing the CHiQ 348L Inverter Frost-Free Top Mount Refrigerator, your complete solution for storing food and drinks. With a 5-star energy rating and an elegant, fashionable black colour design, this fridge also features a reversible door, so you can easily change the direction of the door opening to suit your kitchen space and needs. Now, when you open the freezer door, you'll see 78 litres of freezer space, completely frost-free, so you never need to defrost it manually. The multi-airflow system ensures uniform temperatures for all freezer and fridge shelves, keeping your items fresh and cool. Plus, the flexible, removable hanging ice box meets your ice making needs. In the 270 litres of refrigeration space, the electronic temperature control with LED display monitors the fridge's internal temperature. Plus, the inverter system ensures efficient and quiet operation. You've also got a door open alarm, which reminds you if you've forgotten to close the door. And these bright LED lights here illuminate the entire refrigerator, making it clear and easy to see all of your items. Now we've got the fresh room. With a lower temperature than the main compartment, it keeps fish and meat fresh longer and ready to cook when you are. We've also got shelves to meet your storage needs, while a dedicated pizza or platter shelf and a butter box zone gives you more lifestyle options. The bottom door shelf is suitable for milk and 2-litre beverage bottles, and the large crisper with humidity control keeps your fruits and vegetables fresher for longer. Perfect for modern homes, the CHiQ CTM347NB5E offers reliable performance and innovative features to keep your food fresh longer. Improve your life with CHiQ.